Hey, I know why you're here. I know the weight you're carrying in your chest, the endless replays in your mind, the questions, the silence, the ache, and I want you to know something before we begin. You're not weak because you're hurting. You're not broken because someone walked away. You're not alone. This is pain, but this is also the start of something. A spark buried deep inside you. We'll find it together. Cry, break down, scream into your pillow, be angry, be numb. Feel whatever you need to feel. Don't run from your emotions. Feel them, let them pass through you like a storm. Because emotions that are buried don't die, they grow. And you deserve peace. You are allowed to mourn what you lost, but you are not required to carry it forever. They may have left you, but you stayed. You're still here. Still breathing, still surviving, still fighting. Don't confuse someone leaving with you being unworthy. Sometimes people leave because they can't handle your strength, or your growth, or your love, or maybe they were never meant to stay. Closure doesn't come from their apology. It comes from your decision to stop waiting for one. Right now, take a deep breath. Feel the air in your lungs. That's life, that's power, that's yours. You gave love, you gave time, you gave effort, but now it's time to give that to yourself. What if this pain is not your ending, but your beginning? What if this breakup isn't the worst thing to happen to you, but the best thing to happen for you? You don't need to chase anyone who can't see your worth, because the truth is, you're already enough. Start small. Make your bed, drink water, take a walk. Write down what you feel. Listen to music that lifts your spirit. One day, you'll look back and realize these tiny acts saved you. Rebuilding doesn't happen overnight, but every single day you are rising. Even if it doesn't feel like it yet, the most powerful version of you is being born from this pain. You are becoming uncheckable. You are becoming fire. You are becoming whole without needing someone to complete you. They will see you glow one day, but by then, you'll be too focused on your growth to care who notices. This isn't revenge. This is redemption. This is your rise. Start speaking kindly to yourself. I'm proud of myself. I'm healing. I am not defined by my past. I attract peace. I choose joy. I deserve love that feels like home, not war. Say it until your mind starts to believe it. Your brain listens to your words. Speak like you love yourself, even if you're still learning how. You are no longer waiting for someone to come back. You're walking forward. You're not looking at the closed door anymore. You're building a new one, brick by brick. One day, someone will love you without conditions. But until then, be that person for yourself. This is not the end of your story. This is page 1 of a brand new chapter, and I promise it's going to be beautiful.